Hi, I'm Kevin Renaud with Procore. If you're like most of us, you found yourself down the rabbit hole of YouTube and have come across an unboxing. Basically, people opening up a box that they've received and going ahead and reviewing what they've gotten. We're going to go ahead and do our own unique spin on what we call is a kit. Many of our customers provide us with a kit document with explicit instructions as to how they need this kit sourced. In this case, it's a segment of a bill of materials for a spool piece. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Open the box, get rid of this. It's the documentation packet, and we'll come back to this. So, first things first, the globe valve. There's a globe valve in here sourced from SWI in South Korea. It had country of origin restrictions, so we had to make sure we obliged by it, and an approved manufacturer's list, and this was on it. This is a globe valve for controlling. All right, next we have a pressure gauge from our partner in Rio Temp, and a pressure gauge made in San Diego, California. Next on the list are flanges. 2 flanges, Kirkow, made in the US, on the list, in the right country. And let's see, oh geez, those guys. Next on the list are tube fittings from our partner DK Lock, South Korea, on the list, and approved. And next on the list, gaskets. These would go between the flanges that we just pulled out earlier. We have a needle valve from our good partner in Oliver Valves in the UK. And this is a male by female needle valve to control flow once again. And finally, we have an orifice plate made by Daniels here in the US. And again, this is to restrict flow to a predetermined measurement. So that is in the kit. But no kit would be complete without the documentation, because to many of our customers, the parts are useless without the documentation. So here was the kit document, filled out with heat numbers and manufacturers, and all of the CMTRs behind it that prove that we're sourcing to their exact requirements. Thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful. Let us know how Procore can help you in your kitting needs.